Hey, good morning, everybody. This is morning of day 2, which feels like morning of day 4. But we're starting today with some CNC work. This is my CNC. This is Arnold. This is Arnold Schwarzenrauter, and I built it. I built it myself from scratch. I actually built 2. This is the second one I built because the first one was considerably underbuilt, but this one is a tank. It's, well, 3 months ago when we moved into this house, I moved this thing down here, and I know exactly what it weighs. So it's just a beast. So, at any rate, we're going to just chunk out a little plywood seat for our little cable-y thing out there, and bada boom, bada bing. So, and also this will be cool because you'll be able to see exactly how well this soundproof room works. So in about 4 seconds, this is going to get pretty loud in here. Actually, starting right now. So that's the dust collection. I worked 12 years, 13, 14 years with that sound, 8 hours a day. All right, here's loud number 2. So there's the dust collection. That's a dust boot. Router spinning. And now all we gotta do is hit go. So there you go. This is what it sounds like inside the room. Now if we step outside, we walk about 4 feet away. Now we're outside the room. And as you can hear my sultry voice, hello, this is Chris the Carpenter, ting. You can see just exactly how much of a luxury it is to have this this quiet room. So there you go. There is there's a CNC cutting out a seat, and we will probably have it all assembled in the next update. Ting! I said ting. Stop, please. Mr. iPod, I'm asking you to please stop recording the video. Please do it now.